Crack India. Just I would like to discuss about the strategy how to handle the paper in examination hall. So as you know that when computerized system introduced, there is a flexibility in attending paper 1 and paper 2. So you can attend any paper if you want. First paper 2 also, there is no any hard rules that you can attend first one and the second. So you can also frequently check the questions if you want, and so that is the flexibility available. So what you can do is, don't leave any questions for future. Like what happens in earlier stage when I wrote exam, so I usually leave some questions for later because I am not able to answer find the right answer. So there are some questions you may get in confusions, you may not able to little bit about the answer, or two options you may delete and two options you are making some confusions. You are in like conflict, so conflict ridden questions are there. So try to make it as soon as possible to solve the questions at one shot. Don't go into taking to further collecting the questions later we can do. So what happens in my previous attempts, I usually make this kind of questions. I left minimum 10 to 15 questions for a later time. We will think it out and later we will do it. But it is actually illusions. So you can't be do in the later time because you have very specified time. Each and every questions you have only 1 minute. Even 50 questions in the one paper you have only 1 hour. So you need to be very careful about the timings, and whichever at a time you are getting confusions, please select which is very suitable example, which is you think feel more. It happens when you don't have any queue about the questions, only one options you have a queue. So choose which is very relevant one. So and left leave it for, if you want to still you have some of the questions are hunting you, what you can do is just at least leave 2 to 3 question or 5 question maximum. Don't leave any further 10 15 question, 10 12 questions, and later you will do the only the result you will left that questions. Finally you will left that questions and you come out of the examination hall and you say that I could have been done any options. So there are a lot of chances. If you don't know, try which is a relevant one, which is matchable one, which is applicable one as per your knowledge. Try it better. If you don't know, no problem. So there are some questions you may not able to any idea about that. Overall you totally unaware of that. It's okay, quite okay, but don't leave the questions. Be aware of that each and every time. So that what my